There's a lot of respiratory viruses going on right now. There's a lot of strains of influenza, and hopefully everybody understands you can reduce your risk, not eliminate it, but you can reduce your risk of seasonal flu by getting vaccinated. And that helps too, because then you don't have both a seasonal flu strain and this strain in your body at the same time, because they can exchange pieces and form a new virus that could be more readily transmitted. The people who are most at risk, obviously, are the people who have farms or zoos, or you could have a veterinary office of animal control, a wildlife rehabber. And if their animals test positive, there are people who are associated with taking care of the animals in those settings.
There have been cases where people have found sick, say a sick wild goose or something, and they've decided that they're going to take it to the veterinary clinic, or maybe they were going to take it to a wildlife rehab facility. And then that bird ends up dying and gets tested and tests positive. Well, now we've got potential contamination in the veterinary clinic. By now, most people that are working with birds realize that they need to take precautions and wear personal protective equipment like Tyvek coveralls and gloves and masks and eye protection. Occasionally that doesn't always happen, and even though we haven't had a case in humans, I mean, all those things to try to prevent that exposure are part of the reason why we haven't had